Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OPPO. You need to begin by going into Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!